Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stacy. You're welcome. Please subscribe before leaving. So today I'm going to be making Chinese rice noodle. I'm going to walk you guys through the ingredients while we're cooking. So on my wok, I added vegetable oil there, and I'm going to allow the oil to heat up before adding the onion. And here I have carrots, zucchini. Rice noodle is already in the water because it says to allow to soak in the water for 30 minutes. So this is the shrimps I'm using mixture of things here. Some salt. I'm going to be using this Yolyester and rice vinegar and the soy sauce. Yolyester sauce, that is what it's called, right? It's not my language, guys, please don't judge me. And this is chicken. I'm using chicken and what is it called, shrimps. So the oil is hot. I'm going to be adding the onion. I'm going to allow the onion to saute before adding the chicken. So now I'm going to be adding the chicken, and I'm going to season the chicken with some pepper and a little bit of salt. Cook them down before adding the shrimps. Guys, I'm going to go ahead now to add the shrimps into the chicken and allow them to cook down for a minute, because I don't want the shrimps to be overcooked. So after 1 minute, I'm going to be adding the egg, because we are going to be using egg as well. Pour in the egg and mix until the egg is well scrambled. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the vegetable. I'm using carrots and zucchini like I said earlier. I'm going to add all the vegetable in and go ahead, mix them, add the Yolyester sauce, soy sauce, and the rice noodle. I'm going to go ahead gently mix and mix, because the wok I'm using is the food I'm cooking is, it seems like it's bigger than the wok I'm using, so don't make the same mistake. So I'm adding soy sauce right now. I don't measure them because I already know the quantity I'm using, because this is not the first time I tried this recipe. So I'm going to gently mix until they are all well mixed or well combined. Now I added the rice vinegar, vegetable oil again. You can use sesame oil or any oil of your choice, and go ahead to mix until everything is well mixed. And here is the result, guys. This is delicious. My kids are crazy for this food, even my husband. They love this food so much. This is my own variety of this food. I hope you enjoy watching. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, share, and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. God bless you. Bye.